How you doing? This is Greg Z, and I want to welcome you to cloutboosters.co, again, where you can really boost your Instagram safely and fast. Now, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how you can use this system to really ramp up your Instagram. Now, right here, we're at the new post where you can post all from your laptop, desktop, or tablet, also mobile. But you just click this account that you want to, um, the account that you want to actually post with, and you also have the groups option. So you can click that and do the same thing. Add your message, add your media. You can also schedule it, and then press post now, and you will see everything come up on this as a viewer to see how it will look. Okay, now, so let's click. So all you have to do is click post, and it will take you to this menu. Okay, you can see media, story. You can do a carousel. You can add your files. You can upload your images. Okay, you can add your description. You can schedule. You have advanced options here where you can add the location, add first comment option, and of course you can see on the side how that will look also. Now let's get into some automation functions that really takes your Instagram on autopilot and can help you scale fast. Now, once you added an account, I added an account here. You can go to settings. Okay. And you have all these options. So I just added this account. You can do likes, comments, follows, unfollows, direct messages, repost media. To be honest with you, with the Instagram update, you don't really want to do going crazy. So I wouldn't do repost media much. And you could do without the comments, especially if you're not spamming. You can if you're trying to, market. You don't want to just be commenting on anything. So you can but I'm just going to focus on these three, and then you can even go down to follow and unfollow. Okay. So we're just going to do that, but I would recommend just sticking with mostly these three. If you do likes, you want to keep it safe, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? Now, you can target people by tags and or location or both. You can just click these tabs here, and it'll give you the information for what each tab is. But for this demonstration, we're just going to do tags and location. Now, that's the first targeting. Now let's go to speed. Okay. Now, to protect your account, there is some built-in settings. And slow, normal, as you can see, it changes, fast, and when you do custom, you can put a certain amount in, but with the new updates, you can only follow, I believe, up to like 6,000 people per month. So, and those is usually for the older accounts. So you want to kind of divide that times, how many people per hour times 24 hours times 30 days. I was thinking, you're safe around 8 and 8. Okay, so you just want to put 8 and 8 there. You can even do 9. So that will be considered custom. You can pretty much leave everything else the same, and your account will be perfectly fine. Okay, see, this is the long game, and as this is happening all for you on autopilot, you don't have to touch the account once you set it and forget it. Okay, and then you have also the different speeds. So again, we have our custom, What's safe is 8 and 8 per hour. So this means it will follow 8 people per hour and unfollow 8 people per hour. Okay, like 6 people comments. So as you can see, that's per hour. Okay, that's the speed. Now let's do filters. Excuse me. Now you don't pretty much have to mess with this coming in. So you really want to be careful and check everything, but I usually leave this the same. Comments. You can delete all these are standard. You can click don't comment some users. You can see that. Okay. And then you can delete all these and add new ones. You just click that and add different comments. So you can create your own comments. Excuse me, if you're going to do comments. And like again I said, you don't want to be spammy with this. So to protect your account, make sure it's a realistic comment, and not just trying to spam, because again, this is the long game. Okay. Now direct message. These are some built-in. I would recommend deleting these, or you can leave them in. We will be adding the option to message your new followers and followers within the system. So when someone follows you, you can send them a custom message. You just add. It will pick one of the random messages, or you can just send the one by deleting these. Okay. And as you can see, you have the option with follow. Don't follow some users. You can read everything. It's to guide you. Don't follow private users. Okay. Unfollow, as you can see. You can pick how many days. You can do 2, 3, 1 day, 4 days. However you want to do it, between 1 and 7 days. Let's see. Okay. Repost media. You can see how that works. Just clicking there, let you know. Tags. Now, these are tags of the people or media. So, if you want to target, say you're selling dog food or dog toys, you would delete all these per se and add all hashtags regarding dogs. So let's just take a test and show you. I'm going to type in dogs. Okay. And we're going to click search. And as you can see, boom, all the tags that people who love dogs show up. And you can just click all these, add, and I'm not going to do that. And your account will follow everyone who posts to these tags. So you can really target in on all subjects with this feature alone. Okay. And location. You can follow people by location. I'm in the Detroit area. And as you can see, it will pick up on all the Detroit different locations, even different places that may be named Detroit. And you will pick the ones that's relevant to you, okay, in your city or state. Now, we have that. Users, you can also, follow people by a particular username. You have the block list, of course, things you just don't want to follow. I will leave those there to protect your account. Also, you can leave these here, unless you just have a certain limit. I will leave this blank. And once you got that set up, all you have to do is click start. And, I got locations. I didn't pick locations. So Let's take locations off and then press start again. Okay, and now the system is running, okay? So it's going to start to follow, and I'm going to stop that. Okay, but just to let you know, that's how the system works. And let's go through a couple other things that you have. So say you want to do the post again. Again, you can do the groups. Okay, you can go to your dashboard. You can choose the accounts according to your plan, how many Instagram accounts you are allowed to have. You can check your schedule. Okay. You can add, manage, or delete accounts. So you just add an account here. You put your Instagram username, Instagram password. You can use your own proxy. Also, just press add account. You don't need a proxy. It may ask you for verification, so you will need access to the number or email attached to that Instagram account. You'll take the verification number they give you, put it right in here. You'll see a area for it if they ask you for it, and add account, and you're good to go. Okay. Now, you have a group manager if you're in groups on your Instagram account. Okay. So you can add your groups. Let's see. You also have the caption, so you can have like certain, when you want to do post, you can have certain captions already written out and typed out, and just update and have those from a group. So you can have different captions. You can add emojis. Let's see. So you see you have full emoji option. Okay, and you just add that to your post, and then updating will save that from, and then you can have those as a list of different messages. Okay, now we have the file manager. According to your account, you will have a certain amount. Okay. And the tools. Now, when you're uploading videos, you can have a watermark, and you can have it wherever you want on the picture or video. Okay. To give your page more branding. Upload the picture you want, then apply it, and it will save that. And again, that's the Instagram software from cloutbooster.co. Okay, so if you're ready to boost up your clout, go ahead, click the link below in the description. Come on, join cloutboosters.co and take the 3-day trial. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm Greg Z, and I'll see you in the inside. You take care.